In this video, I want to talk about how you can view crypto on Webull. Now, this is pretty simple, guys. You want to create your account and then use the app or just use the web trader. Once you're inside of here, what you want to do is just go to either markets, or you can go if you want to use your paper trading account. And what you want to do is you don't want to just search for whichever one you want. So if you want to do Bitcoin, search for Bitcoin, and you can open up Bitcoin one. So if I search for BTC, which is the symbol for Bitcoin, you should be able to see that there's a Bitcoin in here, and you will be able to buy and sell it. There will also be Ethereum and anything else, XRP, all this sort of stuff. So you can do this from in here easily. If you have an open account, you will be able to buy and sell from in here as well. Now keep in mind, for crypto trading, when you sign up for your account, you might not be able to trade crypto immediately, so you might need to go to your profile and enable it. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.